Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. Super excited because today, episode 2 of the Tarpon and Snook series with my guy Thomas. He's in the bait shop right now. But we're gonna go ahead and go after these giant snook and tarpon again in the river and the flats. So yeah, I'm excited. Enough talking, let's just get right into the video. Fish on. I don't know what it is, but it's a fish. Might be a red. Actually, no way. It's running right towards the boat. What is that? Oh my God, nice. I'm gonna flip this up here without losing it, hopefully. I don't know what it is. Hope, right? Oh shit, he's going under the boat. No, get out of there. Oh, that's a nice snook. He's like 24, 25. Woo! Solid. Well, quick release, boys. First fish of the day.
Got that skunk out of the boat.
Right?
That was a paddle tail?
Yeah, I just literally like cast it to that dark spot and then just reeled it in at a steady pace and got hammered. I was moving that thing.
He came out and smoked it, didn't he?
Yeah, really surprised me. I thought I was hooked on a rock. Oh, here we go. There we go. I think we're getting our first bite on live. Yep.
Yes.
Nice, man. Yeah, you might want to get a live bait cast or cast your ship towards the rock wall. I have no idea what this is, man. I hope it's something good. It's swimming towards a boat right now. Oh, red. Nice red fish. What's up, sweetheart? Woo. Nice little red on the live mud minnow, guys. I'm gonna try and get him in here. Ah, flicked the mud minnow off. He's still alive. All right, guys, he's actually short. We're doing catch and release anyways, so there we go. He's off. Sweet. Oh, dude, he's chasing it on the retrieve. I think it's a. Oh, they're mackerel, bro. Oh my God, you might have to bust out that spoon, dog. What is that big dark shadow right there? Oh, fish on. No way. On the Meerdine? On the purple Meerdine? This thing is so tiny. Oh my God, bro. Oh my God, look how tiny he is, but he's cranking. Don't you do it. Stop it. All right, boys, little submarine. All right, and he's gone. Dude, he's coming like a dog. Come here. I'm gonna throw one of these minnows at him. Here, buddy. Think he'll get it? Oh, he got it. Oh my God. Jeez. Jeez, he's chasing it. Jeez. Oh my God. Oh my God, he got it. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Dude, you can see him like eating it on the top of the water. It's nuts. Both. I'm lucky though. This one's got like probably like 4 years left on warranty.
Yeah, I'm gonna go right here.
That's perfect, man. You can even get past me. That'd be great, like towards that tree. Doesn't really seem like whatever that is cares.
My gosh, dude. I saw it in your rod tip. It just started going wild.
Yeah. What's happening? That's a snook. Oh yeah. Did you see that, man?
Yeah.
That jump? Get another one. Come on. Oh no. We tangled?
I think you might be.
You're good, just reel in. You know what? I'm gonna walk over there towards you so we don't lose this fish because it's kind of nice. Oh, we got another fish coming in. I'm under you, I'm under you. Oh wait. How do we do this? Oh shit. There we go.
You're a savage.
Right? Alright, so now we can figure that out.
Yeah.
That's a nice fish, bro.
Dude, that's sweet.
I was telling you, bro, those thumps were really hard. It was not like anything else. Alright, boys. Solid snook. Thumped it hard. Throwing some live shrimp on the bottom. Go ahead and let them go. Alright guys, thank you for tuning into episode 2 of the Snook and Tarpon series here. I mean, wasn't the exact day we hoped for, but hey, it's how it is sometimes, and hopefully in the next episode we're gonna go ahead and catch a tarpon or hopefully one of those massive snook. There were some good ones today, but you know, nothing absolutely huge. But yeah, it was a good time out with my buddy Thomas, and yeah, honestly, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go ahead and leave me a thumbs up because it helps the channel. And I make tons of fishing content, so go ahead and go check out my other videos if you feel like it. And consider subscribing if you like what you're seeing here. So until next time, peace.